Hi, I'm Katie Kavanaugh. I'm the course coordinator for the Bachelor of Creative Arts, Visual Effects, and Entertainment Design. If you are interested in creating art for games, 2D animation, 3D animation, character design, then VEED is your degree. Because we are an art degree, we ask for a portfolio. And a lot of students find that a little bit alarming when they see the word portfolio. So I just want to clarify a couple things. First, we say a maximum of 10 pieces. Really, we're happy with 2 or 3. You don't have to put in 10, but give us a few. What we're looking for is we're looking for your potential. We're looking to see that you love this. We know that some of you have discovered this a little bit later, towards the end of your high school years. And so you might worry that you're not good enough to get in. But really, what we're looking for is passion and the possibility of where you can go. So don't worry. Let us judge your work. All right. Number one is let us decide. Let us see what we think you're capable of. So we need to see a few pieces of work. And in the instructions, it says 3 to 10 pieces of work. What happens is when you apply through SATAC, it goes to Flinders. Flinders will send you out an email with a link to the portfolio. And that link is where you upload your work. You can upload still images, you can upload photographs, you can upload sculpture, you can upload short films if it's for the VFX, right? Don't upload a short film with no VFX. If you upload a group project, tell us what you did. Make sure that you let us know, I did the background paintings, I did the sets, I did the props, I did the VFX, I did the animation, I did the title sequence, right? Let us know what we're looking at if it's a group project. And group projects are great because they show us that you can work with other people. So don't be nervous if you've got group projects. That's great. So you get the link from Flinders and you upload, I would say, somewhere between 3 and 10 pieces. You can also, if you've got something like you're wanting to show us VFX and you want us to watch a Vimeo clip, you can upload a document with links to a digital portfolio if you have one. We also ask you for a statement, and it's just a paragraph. It's just, we want to hear your voice. We ask you why you want to study this degree. That's for us and that's for you. We want to make sure that this is the right degree for you. So if you say, I'm really interested in drawing the anatomy of frogs because I want to be a scientific illustrator, we might say, actually, this degree is entertainment design. This is for people who want to work in film and games and graphic novels and animation. So it lets us know that you're coming into the degree with the expectations of what it actually is. And it also gives us a chance to hear your voice. There's no wrong. We just really want to know, why do you want to study this degree? So that's that written statement. The third thing that we ask for is a CV or a resume. If you haven't worked, it's been COVID. Don't worry, it's totally fine. This is more a document that you're starting now at the start of your degree and you're going to build on during your degree and the rest of your life. So it's just the foundational details about who you are and where you studied and any work that you might have done. And that shows us things like teamwork. So if it says Foodland or McDonald's, that's great. That's really relevant to us and it's really valid. So again, there's no wrong with the resume. The only wrong is if you don't upload it. If you don't upload the portfolio and if you don't upload the documents, we can't make you an offer because we have to see your work. So just make sure, have faith in yourself, have faith in us. Just get those 3 documents together and then be brave, press upload. Once you get your ATAR, the minimum ATAR is 60, and I'll talk for a minute what you can do if you don't get that 60, but you probably can. If you've got that 60, then that says, okay, if your portfolio is approved, and if you've got the score to get in, and if you've put us as number 1, then everything rolls ahead quite smoothly. If you find that you don't get that ATAR, the best thing to do is call admissions, right? They're genius about admissions. Go figure. So admissions know everything there is to know about the alternate pathways, about how do you get in. And there's things like foundation studies or coming in through TAFE, coming in through one of our pathway degrees. So if you don't get in for various reasons, don't worry. If it's your portfolio, just keep working, keep getting your skills up, keep getting your ideas down. If you put a degree, and we recommend putting either the BCI interaction design or the BCI digital media as second behind the BCA VED. And the reason that we recommend that is that the BCIs don't need a portfolio. So if you get really nervous about the portfolio, or if something goes wrong with the portfolio, you're still going to end up with us. You're still going to be here. And then you can keep working at your portfolio, and you can apply again to move across after you've done some of the topics, and after you've gotten to know us, and after we've gotten to know you. The BCI digital media and the BCI interaction design are both really good degrees within their own right. The BCI digital media is VFX based, so you get all that wonderful film and camera knowledge, and you're also doing a lot of VFX. And certainly there's plenty of work within VFX, and we have great gear like this massive screen behind me. And the BCI digital media does a lot of work in this room, which is called The Void, which is a really, really cool room. The BCI interaction design, that's working a little bit more towards social media, towards web design, towards games. So you're going to get this nice cross between arts topics and art and IT, where you're not fully becoming a programmer. You're not fully doing the anatomy live drawing, but it's just that really nice space where tech and art meet. So you're looking around the kind of interface side of things there, which is great for games, great for social media. So the BCI interaction design and the BCI digital media, which is the VFX ones, they're really good ones to put second, unless, now that I'm talking about them, you go, actually, I want to put those first. Also fine. But I recommend the BCA VED be aspirational when you do your ranking. What do you want to do most? Put that in first, and then put your safety net in second.